84 years old.
Huh.
I am a retired audit officer from CAG's office.
Huh.
I had some problem with my knees. Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam. I saw his resume on the YouTube. I was very much impressed and immediately I contacted him and he was so very kind. More than the treatment, the way, the reaction, the way he was able to convince me about things was so good that more than half the pain was over. The next part is only the operation and the bandage and other things. I am very happy. I have no words to thank these people, the team of people who did all this. I am really impressed.
All is well, sir. You are doing well.
I am completely normal.
Okay.
I have no discomfort, nothing.
Huh. So now you can go and have water to drink first, then coffee or tea, then your BP medicine.
Medicine, I have bought it.
You brought it. Then you can have breakfast.
Right.
Okay. You have to be careful to lie flat. No pillow for next 3 hours. Okay. Drink water. IV fluids will go through this. BP should not drop. You're not having any chest pain or anything now? Nothing.
Absolutely normal.
Okay. So go and relax in the wards. The ladies are here. Now they are going to take you there.
Right.